in with coastal luxury, and we are here today in Alys Beach, Florida at 30 North Charles Street. This home has recently just finished a full renovation and has new custom interiors that have been appointed by interior designer Susan Smith of Bohlert Massey Interiors. It is absolutely an exquisite home that epitomizes the lifestyle of Alys Beach, and we look forward to connecting with you to schedule a private viewing. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of 30 North Charles Street. Please give me a call. I would love to show you this home in person.